All right, guys, this is one of my favorite play around exercises. Obviously, it's a good training exercise tool though, and it really is gonna help you master using your hips, your body, and your momentum to move laterally across any type of rig, which can also help, obviously, your forward momentum when you understand how to use your hips and your body to move better. So for this, make sure everything's clear, out of your way. There's something you're gonna run into with your lower body because you're probably not gonna be as aware of what's happening there. You're gonna start here, you're gonna do a little momentum. Side to side, pull up, come down. So nice little transition. You can see as I started, I had less momentum, less control, and I was starting to make that in one turn every time and didn't have to walk across the bar. It's all knowing the timing, when to release and practice. So you can get more info and more different drills to help you with your timing on our other grip challenge exercises you can find on our YouTube page. Thanks.